Welcome to another demonstration video of the Digit Management System. In this video, I will demonstrate how you can do both transactional and analytic operations against relational tables created and managed by our system. Here in the Digit browser, on the Databases tab, you'll see three tables we've created using Didgets. This one has 15 million names, addresses, and other info of customers. If I just double click on it, it'll go select all, and you can see their names, their addresses, city, state, zip, their emails, etc. Now, transactional operations are those that change an existing table. So we can add new rows, modify or delete existing rows. So for example, I could drop a CSV file on top of this table and it would append all the rows in that CSV file to the end of the table. Analytic operations, on the other hand, do not change the data within the table, but rather seek out insights from the existing data by analyzing it. For example, I could come up here on the city and right-click and say, show me all the values, and this will tell me how many rows in the table each city has. I could select the top 10 or so and display those as a chart. We could do it as a bar graph or a pie chart. This will tell you some information about where most of the customers in this table are. Now, most database systems have been built to do either transactional or analytic operations well. Didgets, on the other hand, can perform both kinds of operations extremely fast and easy against the same data. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to take a CSV file with another 5 million customers in it, and I'm going to add it to this existing table with the 15. So I should end up with 20 million when this is done. So I'll just add it on the end. So you can see it's appending new records to the end of the table. It does it about 100,000 rows a second. Now I have a couple queries here. For example, this one will show me everybody that has an edu extension on their email, so the education. Now if I just double click on it, you'll see it gives me the state of the table at that point when I clicked on it. But because I'm still adding new things, you'll see more and more rows as I add more to them. So if I do it again, in this set, we see between the time I clicked on it the first time and the second time, it's added about 200,000 customers that have edu in their email extension. So this will finish in another few seconds here. We've got 4 million. Let's do it one more time. So now we have 3.2 million. So each time I click on it, it's going to give me all the educational email addresses for the customers in that table. So you see now it's completed. I've got 20 million. Now I want to analyze at each point. So here we'll analyze the cities that these customers have. I have 2.7 million of them. It takes a second to sort out all the 2.7 from the 20 million. And here, see Columbus is the highest with just over 5,420 customers in it. But if I go to the next one, let's go to the last one, 3.2. Let's do the same thing. Remember, the other one had 5,400 people in Columbus. Let's see how many this one has. And it takes a few seconds to sort out those 3.2 million. So yeah, again, Columbus is still the highest one, but now there's over 6,000 customers in that. And that's just happened in between when I clicked on the query as it was adding new information to the table. So yes, now I have, if I do a select all against it now, I'll get a whole one with 20 million. I can analyze by states. These are all the top states that my customers are in. I could see what countries, what names they have. Jordan was the most common one, followed by Cameron, Lee, and Kelly. So these are all just random data that I generated here, but this could this would easily work against any table that showed real customer data and let you find insights of where your customers are, what kinds of things they're buying, and at the same time you can add, modify, or delete existing customer records in a very fast fashion. So Didgets can handle both kinds of operations against the same relational tables, all without needing separate indexes to go and update every time something has changed. So hopefully that gives you good demonstration of the capabilities of our system. Thank you very much.